Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you how to combine the elevated roll with leopard crawling. The elevated roll is, well, it's rolling, holding, submitting your body elevated. And this roll not only looks cool at parties, but it just feels really good. And leopard crawling is crawling on your hands and feet like a leopard. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna combine the two to a very interesting feel-good type of crawl. And so how we do that is we rotate, we lift the leg up as we crawl, lower the hip down to the floor, and then we right our body, take a step, rotate, lift as we crawl, lower the hip down to the floor, right our body, and just so you can see coming to you, and this just feels pretty good, especially on the low back. And you can really feel your core engage as you bring this leg back through to right your crawl. Anyway, give this a shot. It may seem silly and you're like, well, why would I do that? One, it's a novel movement. Two, you're combining contralateral movement together and you're rolling. So you're just doing really neat things that feel good at the same time. And it's good for your brain. And it will actually teach you how to move, because if you like it and then you learn how to do it in super slow motion, well, then you're going to build all kinds of amazing control. And you can develop a lot of time under tension. And in doing so, you develop a lot of strength. Strength that you can enjoy expressing at various speeds and in all kinds of different ways. Anyway, I guess if anything, I'm encouraging you to play and explore movement. And this movement does feel pretty good. Give it a shot. It's the elevated roll with the leopard crawl. And you don't have to combine them. They're good on their own. But like peanut butter and chocolate, they're also good together. All right, guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength. Give that a shot. Let me know what you think. And we'll see you next time.